There's property taxes, which are you can find out what the property tax
Mhm.
is. If it's in a homeowners association, which most are, then you can find out how much the monthly fees are, and that's just some kind of part of your planning. And then when you go to closing, it's going to be probably a few months or that year or something like that. You pay ahead of time for your closing
Yeah,
costs.
so usually your homeowner's insurance, you pay a year in advance, and then we're collecting every month, right? And then next year we would pay it because we've
Mhm.
got enough in the impound account, of escrow account to pay it.
Yeah.
As far as the taxes go, now that in Nevada, the taxes are paid quarterly. Every state's a little different. You know, some states you pay them twice a year. So depending on when the next installment is due, that is how we determine how many months we need to collect. But it
Okay.
could be like 3 months of taxes. It's not going to be, they're not going to be paying years in advance or anything like that. So it's just enough to make sure that when that next installment comes due, there's enough to pay them.
Yeah.
So,
So like it's just included in your monthly payment then
mhm,
for the
yeah.
next. When I lived in Georgia and in Tennessee, and I think in Wisconsin, which is the places I've owned homes, I think it's annual.